my dears, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Pamela and I put out beauty related videos sometimes. Oh my gosh, you guys, today's video is super duper exciting because I am doing a collab with two other wonderful YouTubers here in YouTube land. My friend Olivia from Makeup Fun with Olivia asked me earlier this month if I wanted to do a collaboration with her and another one of our friends, Amy. Her channel is Amy Miranda Beauty, and I was so excited because I have not done a collab in a hot minute, and it's always fun to collaborate with other people and come up with different looks inspired by the same theme. And obviously you've read the title of today's video, and I am doing a pumpkin spice chai tea latte look. Fun fact about me real quick, I used to be a Starbucks barista long ago, and one of my favorite times of the year was fall. Not just because of the pumpkin spice latte, because to be honest, I don't like pumpkin spice latte by itself, but I like mixing it within other drinks. I am more of a chai tea or espresso kind of girl, and when one of my friends recommended a pumpkin spice chai tea latte, I was like in love. Iced. I like all of my drinks iced, by the way. Now, if you're not much of a sweet tooth, I wouldn't recommend that drink because it can be a little bit on the sweeter side. I don't drink too many sweet drinks, but every now and then I have to indulge. I do like a sweeter coffee if I can buy it. I mean, at home I usually drink most of my stuff unsweetened because I'm trying to watch the sugar content. But if I am out and about and I'm getting Starbucks, like, you bet your butt I'm gonna get something sweet. So absolutely love it. Like I said, I totally recommend it. Coming from an ex-barista. Let me tell you guys a little bit about my friends. Makeup Fun with Olivia. Oh, what can I say about Olivia? She is absolutely wonderful. She's been insanely supportive since the second she subscribed to my channel. She's obviously a content creator, and I absolutely love everything that she does. She does get ready with me's, hauls. She also does clothing hauls, which I totally take inspiration from because I am just a t-shirt and jeans kind of girl, and I never venture out as far as my fashion. But watching her, the way that she pairs things together and the way that she wears her clothes gives me inspiration to kind of try a little bit sometimes, and I just love her energy. She also is never scared to play with color, and I so envy that. Like, I play with color just when I'm sitting here filming for you guys, but like on an everyday basis, my looks are very basic, and sometimes I don't even do any eyeshadow at all. Just put on mascara and go. So the fact that she uses color often is also really inspiring, and it makes me want to always venture out. So highly recommend her. I will leave her video linked down below for you guys so you can check it out once you're done watching mine. Now, my friend Amy here, I actually didn't know Amy or didn't watch her channel before Olivia introduced us, and I started watching some of her videos just to see what her channel was all about so that I can give you guys a little bit more information about her. She is actually a makeup artist on the weekend, and I love watching like real makeup artists. Not that I don't like regular, YouTubers, but makeup artists have a little bit more tips and tricks sometimes, and you find yourself thinking, huh, why didn't I think of that? And so I love getting advice from others who do makeup on others because it just makes me apply my makeup a little bit better. So her channel is obviously heavily focused on product recommendations. She did one on SPF not so long ago, and I'm obsessed with finding the correct SPF, and she had a whole handful of recommendations, so I totally loved that she did that. On top of the makeup, she's recently started making hand soap, like homemade hand soaps, and oh my gosh, you guys, they are the most beautiful bars of soaps I have ever seen in my life, like homemade, and they come in all these different colors and variations of colors, and I just can't believe that she's able to mix all of these colors that you can clearly see. Like, sometimes I think when you mix colors, it just kind of muddies or becomes like one plain color, but you could see all of the different colors in her soaps. And I'm gonna leave her website linked down below as well as her video, just so that you can check out her work, because like I said, it is unbelievably beautiful. So I think that is all the babbling I've got going on for today, so let's just get right into this. Yes. I've got for you guys today. So hopefully you enjoyed my collaboration today. I had so much fun creating this look. This look is absolutely stunning. Like, I'm definitely going to be wearing this one around October and November because I know it's not quite fall yet, but we just love fall around here. Like, I don't know anybody who doesn't love fall, and I already know that some of you have started decorating for fall. So yeah, after this video, please, again, go check out my friends. I'm gonna leave their videos linked down below for you guys to check them out and let them know I sent you. So yeah, if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and spread my love for makeup, and I will see you guys in my next video. Okay? Mwah. Bye-bye.